How to unlink email from TikTok without code. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can unlink your email address from TikTok without the verification code. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to unlink your email on TikTok without verification code, first of all open TikTok and come to your profile page, tap on the three lines and go to settings and privacy, go to your account and go to account information. Now by default you can see I have an email address. If I would like to unlink it, I just need to tap on it, choose the option called unlink. But as you can see, the problem over here is that if I tap and continue to unlink, it will send a verification code to the current email address, but you do not have access to this email address. So I'm assuming that you're trying to look out for how you can verify it without the 6-digit code. So in order to do that, so instead what we will do is, instead of unlink this time, we will just tap on the account information and we'll tap on it. Then we'll just choose the option called change email and not unlink. So we'll just choose the option called change email. But of course you can see it says that you're still trying to send a verification code to the 6-digit code over here and to that email. But what we will do this time, we have the option called cannot access this email address. So just tap on this one. Once you choose the option called cannot access email address, it will send a code to your phone number instead. So you have to go ahead and then you can see we have successfully added a phone number and verify it as well. And now once we do that, enter the new email address on which you want to actually make sure that you have access of. So just make sure to enter the email address on which you have access this time. So what I will do is also just go ahead and then do that. And once you enter the email address on which you have access, it will send a code to this email address. So I'll just tap on the send button. Now what I will do is I'll basically just come back over here and I'll open my mailing application and check whether or not I have received a mail or a verification code from TikTok. So just go ahead and refresh it a couple of times. So as you can see, I have received a verification code from TikTok at the very top. I'll just copy this code over here, right? Like as you can see now, I'll just make sure to copy this code. Now I'll just come back and now I'll just go ahead and then paste that specific code. Now once I've verified my new email address, you can see now I can go ahead and unlink this email address if I want to, or you can leave it at that. But this time, as I said, we do have the option to actually access our email address. So now we'll just go to continue to unlink if we want to. Again, it will send a verification code to that email, right? Like this. So refresh it a couple of times until you see verification code again from TikTok in this case. So as you can see, we have received a new verification code at the very top. Just tap on it, copy the code as you can see from the bottom, and once you copy the code, come back and then paste the new code. And once we do that, we will have successfully unlinked our email address. So this was a very short tutorial. As I said, if you do not have access to your email address, try to change the email. During the changing email section, it will ask you to continue with phone number. So continue with phone number and enter the new email address on which you have access. And now if you want to unlink it, because now you have access to your new email address, you can go ahead and verify the code as well. This is a simple trick to go ahead and then actually unlink your email address without your old email address and verification. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.